Vocabulary Quiz 6.1. For part 1, you're going to match the words to the definitions by writing the letter on the blanks. On the left are vocab words. We have counsel, demonstrate, drowsy, essential, hardship, pledge, sincere, stampede, suitable, humble. A. To run away or cause to scatter in a wild manner. B. Something that causes suffering or difficulty, or a condition that is hard to bear. C. Of the highest importance, necessary. D. To give advice or an opinion, to offer help. E. Ready to fall asleep, sleepy. F. Without pretending, with honesty and real feeling. G. Not proud or arrogant, stuck up. H. Just right or appropriate, or well matched. I. To promise. J. To clearly explain, show, or prove with examples, models, or experiments. Part 2 is fill in the blank. First half, you have a word bank of 5 words. You're going to use these words for numbers 1 through 5. In our word bank, we have demonstrate, stampede, essential, drowsy, and suitable. The cattle began to blank into the open field. 2. With the hurricane on its way, it is blank to have all the supplies needed. 3. Be sure to blank your experiment at the science fair. 4. I'm going shopping to buy a blank outfit for the wedding. 5. I was blank during class today because of going to bed too late the night before. Second half, in our word bank, there's counsel, humble, sincere, pledged, and hardship. Number 6. The student was very blank when she accepted her award. 7. The school blank a generous amount to the United Way. 8. Many families had to live through a blank due to the hurricane. 9. The student offered a blank apology for disrupting the class. And 10. The school has an office to blank any students.